Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of desktop memory with the TEAMGROUP Elite DDR4 64GB kit. This kit packs a punch with two 32GB modules, boasting a blazing fast speed of 3200 MHz. But let's not just stop there, this RAM is all about performance and reliability. First off, let's talk about adherence to standards. TEAMGROUP ensures that their memory modules meet JEDEC standards, guaranteeing compatibility and performance with a wide range of systems. Plus, with compliance to RoHS, you can rest assured knowing that this product is environmentally friendly. Now, onto testing. TEAMGROUP doesn't cut corners when it comes to quality assurance. Each module undergoes rigorous testing and verification procedures, ensuring that you're getting top-notch performance and reliability every time. And let's not forget about support. With a lifetime warranty and free technical support, you can trust that TEAMGROUP has your back every step of the way. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the attached installation video in the product image. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice builder, you'll have no trouble getting this memory up and running in no time. In summary, the TEAMGROUP Elite DDR4 64GB kit is the ultimate desktop memory upgrade. With its impressive performance, adherence to standards, and top-notch support, it's a no-brainer for anyone looking to supercharge their system. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.